morning, everybody. This is Joshua with Just Down Performance, and today we are starting on a new project in the project series. This is not a vehicle I own. This is actually a vehicle that is owned by a gentleman I work with. We are headed over to his shop today to get the truck and trailer hooked up. We're gonna head over to Crystal River to pick up this vehicle. Now, this vehicle he's owned for a couple of years, but it hasn't ran in the last 2 years. Now, the vehicle is a Lotus Elan, and this vehicle, no joke, is about 50 inches wide. It's tiny. It's, I think, smaller than a Miata. Really cool British car, and we will be working with Swamp Chicken Jeff probably throughout the entire summer, getting this vehicle prepped, ready, painted. We're going to go through the engine. We're going to go through and redo the interior. We're not entirely sure if we're going to go with a restoration or do a little bit of resto modding. The whole thing behind this vehicle, getting it built, getting it set up, is that he does want to sell it. So follow this video series. Subscribe to Just Down Performance. Watch the whole project as it unfolds. You're probably going to see every single challenge we're going to go through with it. And when this vehicle is all said and done, it's going to go up for sale. Now, will that be a fully restored Lotus Elan, or will it be a resto mod? We don't know yet. All we know is that this is going to be a fun project, and you do not want to miss what happens on this series. Let's head over to the farm. All right, so it is day Tuesday. We picked up the little Lotus on last week sometime. And now we've got the Lotus sitting here in the trailer. We're gonna bring it inside. Alright, so that is the end of episode 1 on Project Lotus. In the next episode, we're going to be working alongside with Swamp Chicken Jeff. We're going to take this whole thing apart, take all the stuff out of it, give it a little bit of a once-over, and kind of make it look a little bit nicer than covered in 2 years worth of dust. And with that, we're going to be figuring out what the plan is to work with this Lotus. Are we going to be restoring it? Are we going to be modifying it? Either way, we're going to come up with a list of what it needs to run, drive, stop, and it's going to be fun. And Jeff is going to be an absolute character. You do not want to miss the episode. So if you want to learn more about this series, you want to follow along, watch this vehicle go from how it is now to a beautifully restored running and driving or slightly modified vehicle, then you need to subscribe to Just Style and Performance today. Hit that like button, lets me know that you like this video, subscribe, and you'll get to follow along all summer on how we transform this Lotus Elan. See you next time.